Thanks, Eileen. We're back here at Obesity Week in Las Vegas, and we're in the expo area. And Allison's going to give us a brief overview of metabolic rate changes with weight loss by ReeVue. Allison?
Absolutely. So I'm Allison. I'm with Korr Medical Technologies, and doctors will experience regularly the frustration of patients running into weight loss plateaus and not knowing why that plateau has occurred. And the truth is, one of the big culprits in this is the fact that your metabolic rate is changing with weight loss. It's going to tank, it's going to have problems, and so if you're testing their metabolic rate regularly throughout the weight loss program, you're going to know how to make adjustments to your program based on the changes in their metabolic rate.
Outstanding. That's exactly what people should be aware of, but they don't. A lot of people just go straight into it, and they have a machine that can show you what it is every day or something. Or
it's not every day, so you'll measure on a regular basis. There's a lot of people who measure every 10 pounds of weight loss, so
it's smarter to do it that way.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a 10-minute test. Cool. Yeah. I want to thank Allison and ReeVue, and make sure you try their products. And your website is
Korr.com, Korr.com.
Easy one. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, Allison.
Thanks.